We have something brand new for you. Now tell me what you think. Do you like it? Would you wear it on your big day? We're so thrilled to be able to bring another beautiful feminine design to our brides globally. The floral headpieces have been hitting the market by the storm, and the trend is only going to increase and continue throughout 2022. We have gorgeous silver, gold, and rose gold floral headpieces in our bridal headband collection. And we are so grateful to be able to bring these to you and help our brides around the world feel confident and shine like goddesses as they walk down the aisle, feeling confident, loved, and adored. That is our mission and passion. We love what we do, and we hope to bring a smile to your face as you open our gorgeous box with your luxury quality headpiece from My Soulmate Wedding.